Just got this baby in the mail today, and check it out, 91 Legend Coupe. There are some cosmetic inconsistencies that we can talk about later. Look at the front end, that's giving CB7 Accord vibes for starters. But I'm thrilled to get this thing in the mail. They're just starting to hit the shelves, I believe, around the country, but I got this one on eBay from, I believe, Malaysia or something. But let's pop it open and take a look. I believe this one even has an opening hood. Yes, check that out. Type 1, I guess, if it's a 91. Can't even hold this thing steady enough. Interestingly, it's a very similar size. I'll open this case up and compare it to one that I got a while ago from Japan. Move this TLX out of the way and put this one in here. Look how close it is to that other one I got. A little exaggerated in terms of the proportions, especially the wheel fitment, but this one doesn't have an opening hood, and this one's also right-hand drive. So, and let's check out the spoiler on this. Pretty sweet. Love that.